Hi yachting enthusiasts, hello and welcome to the Simple Water channel. To wash the dishes or take a shower. Water in the tank is becoming so precious. Constantly watching for water on board, filling cans with fresh water, waiting in the marina, what a waste of time. Do you want to travel at sea with unlimited fresh water? To fully enjoy your stays at sea, choose a Simple Water Watermaker. You are probably wondering, what is a Watermaker used for? This makes possible to transform seawater into fresh water, thanks to the reverse osmosis principle. You are probably wondering how a Simple Water Watermaker works? First of all, in production position, the salt water passes through a 5-micron filter which retains particles and fouling. Subsequently, the salt water reaches the high-pressure pump. Then it will be directed towards the membrane. The seawater from the membrane will arrive at the control panel, and thanks to this regulator, we can adjust the pressure to obtain reverse osmosis. The control panel performs two functions. Control the pressure of the saltwater circuit. Control the flow of fresh water produced. Salt water under pressure enters here. The tap here will help regulate the pressure, and the salt water comes out through this hose back into the sea. Fresh water arrives here in the flow meter and exits through this hose, which will then head towards the test or tank valve. The test position is used to direct the fresh water produced towards the sink. You can fill your water bottles from the tap. Then, you will have to put it in the tank position to fill your tank. In rinsing mode, the water passes through an active carbon filter system to remove the chlorine present in the boat's fresh water. After a few minutes, the rinsing is finished and you can put your Watermaker back in production position. After having presented to you the overall operation of our Simple Water Watermaker, we will present the different options. The Serenity Pack improves your comfort of use and protects your Simple Water Watermaker, even while you are away. It includes an hour meter for usage time, a TDS indicator for real-time fresh water purity measurement, high-pressure protection to protect the membrane, protection of the high-pressure pump against clogging, water entry by algae, jellyfish, and air bubbles. Are you still hesitating about choosing a Simple Water Watermaker? First of all, with Simple Water, all the parts of our Watermaker are assembled and tested in France. Our products have a robust and simple system. There are neither electronics, belts, nor energy recovery system. In addition, our Watermakers consume little energy, barely more than 0.5 amps-hours per liter. In 12-volt or 220-volt, ranging from 60 to 120 liter per hour. Simple Water has designed an osmosis device with the best value for money in mind, to offer you a fair and much more affordable package than the current offer. Thank you for watching this video and enjoys your future trips with Simple Water.